Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will explain about question number one. For our assignment, we get question 1A, which is 4 to 16-bit decoder. So we need to do the simulation about the Verilog. So we need to do the data flow, and we also need to do the behavior Verilog one. So after we do the truth table and K-map, we achieve this kind of data flow and behavior. So for the data flow, I have created two version, which is the shorter one and this is the longer one. As we know, this is a 4 bits decoders. So as for the input, it start with 0 and end with 3. And so same goes for the output. It start from 0 and end with 16 and end with 15. So this is the 4-bit input and 16-bit output. So this is the data flow, and this is the for the longer version. So first we assign out 0 and we get 0 0 0 0, and assign out 1 we will get b 0 0 0 1. Assign out 2 we will get b 0 0 1 0, and goes to another step until we get to 15, and we will get the end of it is 1 1 1 1. So this is the shorter version of it. This is basically the same thing, just the assigned way is more shorter. Yeah, this is the same thing, but it's in a shorter way. Okay, so I already explained this part. So it's basically the same operation. It's just this one is the shorter version of it, and this one is the longer version of it. But for the simulation, we don't use this. We will use the one on the left. So this one I will command it because we don't use this. Okay, so we continue with the behavior Verilog. So as we know that we have to assign all the input and output. So this is the input and this is the output, which is the input is 4-bit input and 60-bit for the output. Uh, this part is the we so this is the part that we need to declare again, because if we don't declare this one again, the error will appear. The error will happen if we don't declare this one, even though we have this one, but we need to declare this one again. So for this part, this is the part that we use to display the waveform. This code is used to display the waveform. This is important to this because this is important to display the waveform, because if we don't use this, the waveform will not appear. So this is for the behavior. If in 0 0 0 0 and in 0 0 0 1, in 0 0 0 1 0 until input 1 1 1 1 1. So the second, this section is for delay, which is if we don't put the delay here, our waveform will be flat, which is flat straight line. It doesn't have any wave at all. Okay, so this is the example of the wave. This is how it looks like. So for the input 0, the wave will be 1 here, and for the input 1, which is 0 0 0 1, this will be high up, the output of here will be high. And for 2, input 2, it will be 0 0 1 0, so the input 2 of the output will be high up, and this will be here, 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 and until here. So this is the output for one. Okay, so this is how my waveform for 4 to 60 bit decoders looks like. 1111, it will be high. This is how it looks like, and this is the code. So that's all for me. I have already explained about the code and waveform for bit 4 bit to 60-bit decoders. That's all for me. Thank you very much.